this video, I will show you on how to open Netflix account in web fashion, whether you are using smartphone or iPhone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. I'm using Chrome browser. So open up your browser. The next thing you want to do is to click on search Google. Then go ahead and type in Netflix. Then click on continue. And the next thing you want to do is to click on the first result right here, netflix.com. Go ahead and click on that. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on sign in. So at this point here, you'll be need to enter your email address or phone number right here. Go ahead and enter your registered email address. Then click on continue. And a code will be sent to your mail. Go ahead and check on your mail to get the code. So here we go. Sign in code 6756. Then come back to your web fashion. 6756. Click on continue. And you have successfully signed into your Netflix on the web. Then you can scroll down right here and check on details about your account. Okay, then you can click on manage account right here. And you have your account details right here. Such as, and you can see, these are your overview of your Netflix account. You can click on here. This allows you to see your profile details right here. You can click on switch profile. This allows you to switch to different profile as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.